Thutha wa Kawira Mwangaza kwihitithio ta gavana wa gatatu wa Meru mwaka-ini wa 2022, thabari yake thutha ucio igikorwo na mihinga miingi thutha wa wiguano wake na atongoria angi kaunti-ini yo kuonekana ta warura. Na thiku ya 122 ciake gukorwo wabici, ndereti ya kumuhagura ni yambiriirie. Thabari no Kawira arahotete kuhonoka kuhagurwo maita meri, no ria gatatu ma MCA 40 hari 69 magitikaniria kumuhagura, 17 makiregana na undu ucio, no eri tu no mataikirie kura.
Nimeambia Mungu anipatie niwe na shock absorber za kutosha, ili niweze kusaidia watu wa Meru, watu zaidi ya 1230 ambao walitokezea asubuhi wakapiga kura.
Mamwe ma maundu mugwanja maria Kawira acukagirwo ni ma MCA a kaunti yo ari kuhuthira wabici uru wa murani wa maabitha kaunti ate kurumirira watho ona gukorwo atari na migendere miega ari wabici.
We must bring back the glory, bring back the dignity, bring back the Meru County that we knew, Honorable Speaker, that was avowed and honored all over in this country and beyond, Honorable Speaker.
We are dealing with a cantankerous woman in the name of Governor Kawira Mwangaza. Cantankerous is a word driven from, is an English word, Honorable Speaker, that defines someone who is quarrelsome, who changes moods from now and then, and who doesn't listen.
The same government has been appointing officers to non-existent vacancies.
Maya mothe Kawira no ria wathuritwo ta mundu kiumbe amoroteirio uteti wa kaunti yo na makiria muno aria maitagira matagiturwa kiu. No thutha-ini bunge ya Senate gitikaniria na itua ria MCA bunge ya Meru ria kuhagura gavana wao, na hau Kawira akioya ikinya ria kuhanda cira igoti-ini akiregana na itua riu.
The Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the governor of Meru County, and the governor accordingly ceases to hold office.
Kuringana nake ndaheirwo ihinda riganu ria gwitetera, Senate ndiari na ihinda riganu ria guthurima cira uyu, noho kuhagurwo gwake gwakinyanirio kuri na ngui.
You expected to interrogate issues fairly and render a just determination when you've already formed your mind that we are here to impeach the government.
Hata kama watu wanatafuta impeachment, you can't get an answer minus a formula. Huwezi kuweka impeachment ambayo hauna grounds, kwa sababu sisi kama county hatujapoteza hata shilingi moja ya mwananchi.
No akirekereri itua riake muthia-ini wa kiumia kihituku, mucirithania wa igoti inene ria Nairobi Bahati Mwamunye augire bunge ya Senate ni yarumirire watho kuringana na gatiba, noguo agikindira kuhagurwo gwake.
The Gazette Notice number 10351 volume CXXV1 number 130 dated 20th August, published on 21st August 2024, and issued by the respondent communicating the decision and/or resolution of the Senate to remove the petitioner from office as the governor of Meru County by way of impeachment is affirmed for the purposes of these proceedings.
Hamwe na mageria make ma kwihatura mutego-ini wa kuhagurwo wari kuingira kiama-ini kia UDA, undu uria utanonekana kumuteithia, na kiria riu atigitwo nakio no gukorwo ni urari gavana wa gatatu kaunti-ini ya Meru. Girifo tera Inoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.